Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on SEI. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, price line of SEI formed another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that right now, here on this daily time frame chart, SCI is breaking down this falling wedge pattern. It happens really very rare because this falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish bias. But right now, we are breaking down the support rather than breaking out the resistance. But so far, the candlestick is not closed below this support. It is also possible that we may have a closing above this support. The price then may recover back very soon and re-enter the wedge, but so far it is still moving below the support of the wedge, and we are also breaking down this very long-term support of 32 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 32 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here in the month of December 2023, and now it is acting as a support. By the way, recently, almost here, it was also working as a support as well. Let me just show you on the daily time frame chart. And here, it is more visible. You can see that for a few days, it has been working as a resistance here, support here, and almost as a support here. And now, the past several days, it was working as support, and we are now breaking it down. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout. By the way, this is more similar to be a falling wedge, not a down channel, because both trend lines were getting closer to each other, and the movement was quite getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. And we will also take a look at this breakout from this wedge. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish back move that SCI completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. You can see that after the completion of the final leg, the price and was slightly pumped. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and again dropped down. And after this price correction, we entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice pump and the price and moved beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SCI. And first of all, I'm going to show you this daily time frame chart. Recently, you can see that price line of SCI is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. But now again, without testing the support resistance of this wedge, the price line is now trying to break down the support. If this daily candlestick will be closed inside this wedge, then there can be a probability that we may see a price recovery and the price line may try to break out the resistance of the wedge. But right now, we are breaking it down. So far, the price line is still moving below the support of the wedge. By the way, the technical target for this expected breakdown can be here. That will be approximately at 19 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break down this very long-term support of 21.94 cents as well. If we take a look at the previous history of this support, then you can see that previously this 21.94 cents has been breaking as a very strong support here, and again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of SCI. By the way, we have also broken down this up trend line support as well. And for example, if we may see a price recovery from here, then this up trend line support can also act as a resistance. And we also have a quite long-term downtrend and resistance here as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here. In case of breaking out the wedge, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 70 cents. Now, if we take a look at the previous falling wedge pattern breakout target, that move is still due. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump. If I play this measurement tool from this though, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this current high, and you can see that so far it has pumped almost 263%. But the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.05. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.